Are you looking for the best cheap 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FIXDRY NT1 3D Printer. 10 watts PTC heating system combined with recirculation fan make internal temperature more stable. Better discharge of moisture, keep it dry during the 3D printing process. More energy saving and environmental protection, overheating protection, and ensures your safety. It can use 2 rolls of 1 kg filament single reel size 217 by 80 at the same time. The filament dryer is compatible with 1.75 mm, 2.85 mm, 3.00 mm 3D filaments such as PLA, PET, TPU, ABS, silk, etc. Independent electronic moisture detector with digital display. The screen flashes every 2 seconds, updates the data and measures from 10% to 99%. The humidity in the box can be reduced to 10%. And the intermittent closed-circuit heating process is applied to keep the temperature in the box constant. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 3D Printer. CR Touch for auto leveling and strain sensor for auto Z offset. Easy to get a perfect first layer. The direct extrusion enables smooth feeding of various filaments, including PLA, PET, and TPU. Made of strong and wear-proof steel, the linear shafts ensure a lasting, steady motion of the Y-axis. The UL displays the leveling process and printing parameters clearly with motion graphics. It can print as fast as 250 mm per second while keeping the print quality. Dual Z-axis synced by a quality timing belt, ensuring high print quality. 1 tap to load the filament, and 1 tap to unload it. Handy for filament replacement. Smaller to place around, but it still offers an ample build volume. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 S1 3D Printer. Compatible with more filaments, Ender 3 S1 3D Printer can print PLA, TPU, PET, ABS. etc. It is more lighter and features less inertia and more precise positioning. Upgraded dual gear direct extruder features 2 chrome steel gears that are engaged at a 1:3.5 gear ratio, with a pushing force of up to 80 newtons. The extruder realizes smooth feeding and discharging of filaments without slipping and works extremely well in printing flexible filaments such as TPU. Upgraded CR Touch 16-point automatic bed leveling technology saves you the trouble of manual leveling. Easy to use, the intelligent leveling system can automatically compensate for the printing height of different points of the heat bed, different from Ender 3, Ender 3 Pro and Ender 3 V2. This new released 3D printer comes with a removable PC spring steel platform. The innovative printing platform is a combination of a PC coating, a spring steel sheet and a magnetic sticker, which sticks to the surface immediately when released. The PC coating brings good adhesion and printed models can easily be removed by bending the print sheet. Number 4. Sovol V08 Corksy 3D Printer. V08 utilizes Corksy kinematics towed crease moving mass and enhancer motion control, consequently boosting maximum 40,000 mm/s² acceleration. With a generous printing volume of 350 by 350 by 345, the expansive space allows for the full expression of creativity, unbounded by the limitations of smaller printing volumes. From the beginning of research and development, we decided to make SVO8 open source. Besides, open source Torque Slicer offers arc fitting, variable line width, and spiral ascent. It also includes intelligent cooling, overhang speed reduction, and segmented retraction. The software optimizes nozzle paths for faster printing and features a user-friendly, categorized interface with clear content for easy operation. As an open source slicer, it supports configurations for various printer brands. The entire gantry system can be smoothly leveled with 4 independent Z motors. This process, known as quad gantry leveling, QGL, enhances printer accuracy, reducing the possibility of print failures. It can also detect and compensate for wear or damage. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual leveling. SV08 comes with pressure sensor to automatically adjust the distance between the nozzle and the build plate, ensuring the optimal first layer print quality right after a quick test print. Number 5. Twotrees SK1 3D Printer. This printer features an impressive print speed of up to 350 mm per second, which is 6 times faster than the SP5 and enables faster project completion. The full sheet structure with double linear guide ensures safe and stable printing progress, resulting in higher printing precision. The built-in filament sensor automatically detects and alerts users when the filament runs out or breaks, saving both time and materials. If there is an unexpected interruption in the printing process, the printer can resume printing from the last position after turning on again, thereby preventing the waste of filament. The 3.5-inch color touchscreen provides a user-friendly interface with multi-language support: Chinese, English, French and Italian, making operation easy and accessible.